questions, choose the response that best answers the question. Number 1, read paragraph 3 below. In an energetic final quarter, Mahomes turned his poor performance into his grittiest at a 31-20 Kansas City victory in Super Bowl LIV. He rallied the Chiefs from a double-digit fourth-quarter deficit. His team delivered the Lombardi Trophy to a long-suffering football town. Which word from the paragraph helps the reader to understand that Kansas City was losing for part of the Super Bowl? A, energetic, B, grittiest, C, rallied, or 4, D, deficit. Number 2, read the paragraph 12 below. The opening half was mostly a display of good defense by both sides. The offenses were more conservative than aggressive. But after throwing that interception to cornerback Bashaud Breeland, Garoppolo showed the ability to bounce back on the 49ers' next drive. Which answer choice is the best definition of the word conservative as it's used in the paragraph? A, cautious and modest, B, powerful and showy, C, traditional and strong, or D, weak and unimaginative. Number 3, read the following statement from paragraph 18. Mahomes and Kansas City's win over the 49ers was historic. Which sentence from the article provides the best support for why the author included the word historic in this statement? A, for once, the Kansas City Chiefs quarterback, the wonder boy of the NFL, was facing a force as mighty as his brilliant offense. B, his win total is the most in league history for any coach without a Super Bowl or NFL championship. C, but before he took over the game, he threw multiple interceptions for the first time since November 2018. Or D, importantly, he had led Kansas City to its first Super Bowl championship in 50 years. Question number 4. Read the following sentence from paragraph 3. He rallied the Chiefs from a double-digit fourth-quarter deficit. His team delivered the Lombardi Trophy to a long-suffering football town. The phrase long-suffering football town refers to A, loyal supporters of a team which has not won the Super Bowl in recent years, B, loyal supporters of teams that have won multiple Super Bowl championships, C, a football team with players suffering from multiple injuries, or D, a town with no professional football team to cheer for. Number 5. What best explains what the author means by the phrase borderline disastrous in paragraph 14? A, the Chiefs were close to earning their first Super Bowl win. B, the Chiefs were on the verge of ruining their opportunity to win. C, Kansas City was beginning the third quarter with successful plays. Or D, the San Francisco 49ers almost ruined their opportunity to win. Question 6. What does the word grittiest in paragraph 3 mean? A, cautious, B, determined, C, reluctant, or D, fearful. Number 7. How does the author's use of the term capitalized impact the tone of paragraph 11? A, the tone remained one of defeat for Kansas City. B, the tone shifted to one of opportunity for Kansas City. C, the tone shifted to one excitement for the 49ers. Or D, the tone remained one of motivation for the 49ers.